Dot maps are a type of thematic map that use dots to represent data points. Dot maps are visually compelling and can effectively communicate patterns and trends in data. One advantage of dot maps is that they allow for the easy comparison of data across different geographic areas. Another advantage of dot maps is that they can show the density or concentration of data points in a specific area. Dot maps are also useful for displaying data that varies in magnitude or intensity. Dot maps can be easily understood by a wide range of audiences, regardless of their level of geographic knowledge. In addition, dot maps can be used to depict data that is not tied to specific geographic boundaries, such as population distribution. Dot maps are particularly effective at visualizing point-based data, such as the location of stores or crimes in a city. By using dot maps, researchers and planners can quickly identify areas with high or low concentrations of specific phenomena. Dot maps are a powerful tool for visual storytelling and can help viewers make sense of complex datasets.